Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
This week's economic calendar features crucial data points that could impact financial markets. High-impact events are expected to draw significant attention, but medium-impact releases may also play a role in shaping sentiment. These upcoming economic reports could lead to significant market shifts. Being prepared and informed ensures a strategic advantage during volatile periods.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street tumbled, with steep losses in Nvidia and other AI heavyweights, as investors scaled back expectations of interest rate cuts due to inflation worries and divisions among central bankers about the U.S. economy's health. Grayscale reported a 20% drop in revenue in the first 9 months of 2025. The crypto-focused asset manager disclosed in its U.S. initial public offering paperwork, as analysts expect the IPO market to restart. The U.S. dollar dipped on improving risk appetite after the U.S. federal government reopened from a 43-day shutdown, while a recent bounce caused by falling expectations of interest rate cuts continued to fade.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.